Hello.
I guess I'll start this vlog now. We got to Hawaii earlier today. We got lunch with my family that's here and then got settled. And now we are on a walk. This is Napili Bay. I think it's one of the prettiest beaches in Hawaii. We actually spent some time swimming in here. We don't get to swim a lot in the California ocean. Do you like Hawaii?
No. I'm just kidding. It's great. I'm having a great time.
What was your favorite part?
What do you mean it's the favorite part? We just got here. The favorite part hasn't happened yet.
Oh.
Well, I mean, we're here.
Did you like swimming?
Yeah, swimming's really cool.
Swimming is really fun.
All the waves are pretty sick. I haven't seen any turtles yet, so...
No turtles yet.
I don't know.
We will keep our distance. So I got some seared ahi. And I got Kapalua pork. Good morning, it's 5 a.m. We woke up at 4:30 and we are driving to Hana.
Abby decided to vlog. It's so early in the morning and I'm so tired, but I'm gonna do this because it's gonna be fun. Did we mention we're in Maui? We're gonna go on a hike. Dude, this is my vlog now. Give me the camera.
Where's the light?
I don't need light. We're fine, everything's fine. Catch up later, part 2.
Hi, Dad.
Hi.
We're at Hamoa Beach. We love it. It's so good. Good morning. I'm drinking my coffee. It's really early. We got back from Hana really late. And we are exhausted. It's day 2. We're at the beach. Since we had a really long day yesterday, we're just gonna chill all day.
Hey, what up guys? This is Zach. This is actually my vlog now. So we're at the beach. We were kicking it pretty hard yesterday. We went to Hana. Dude, there was jungle all over the place and it started raining. But you know what? We still made it. And by we, I mean me. I'm the one who drove it. Abby was there. She was co-pilot. She helped us get home. But in other words, yeah, we're at the beach right now. We're just vibing. And yeah, there's sand everywhere. It's pretty great.
I definitely drove to Hana.
Hey!
No, we had a great time.
We ate banana bread from Hana and it was so good.
We're on Napili Bay. I'm gonna go snorkel. I brought the GoPro to see if I see any fish. And then later we're gonna walk the Kapalua coastal trail and go see what we can find. Then we'll probably go to happy hour and have like
probably
a late lunch. Okay, we're going to happy hour for sure. All the restaurants up here are pretty dang expensive, so we're just gonna do our best to make happy hours and make like full meals out of it. But I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Huh?
You excited?
No, I'm excited, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, stay tuned. It's gonna be a good day. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Where are we?
I don't know, man. We're just jumped off some cliff. Now we're like kicking it.
Yeah.
There's fish everywhere. It's pretty neat, dude. Good.
Oh my gosh. Zach just made this charcuterie board.
Yep, it's handmade.
Yum. You just see the view at this bar. Are you kidding me?
Oh, the dining room still. You have to do it now. You can't step back down. I'll hold it for you.
Zach, you went flying.
I did go flying. It was fun.
I'm ready. Whee! There's no way to get hurt, right? You'll be fine. Just go for it.
I'll give you a push.
Wait! I did it! No, come out here. I'm scared. Come on! Woo!
Come on, come this way.
I'm working on it.
I'm gonna go around the side.
Hello? You're in the street, sir. Oh my god. My hair is absolutely insane because we went snorkeling to the beach, to another beach, to happy hour, to the Blow in a day. I think the best part of coming to the Blowhole is actually the drive out here, right?
Yes.
It's so pretty. There's a 2-lane road the whole time, so it's safe. We call it Hana Light. He told me it's like the light version of Hana, but it's different. It's unique in its own way, and it's beautiful.
This is beautiful.
We've had ourselves a day. We're going to shower, watch the sunset, and then go to dinner.
I'm tired.
We're done. We've been up since 5 a.m.
My vlog now.
It's Zach's vlog now.
It's my vlog, dude. It's been crazy. Been popping off today.
You
We've been.
can't say it on YouTube. Go ahead.
Everything's been crazy today. You know, up until we saw the goat, we went snorkeling. We were on a boat. We went to a few beaches. We were gonna go to Foodland, but
We'll go to Foodland tomorrow.
no, we don't have to go to Foodland.
No, our goal is to get Foodland Poke because we heard it's the best poke on the island. So stay tuned for that.
Stay tuned.
It'll probably be our best meal. It's just
Everything's been
Foodland
this has
Poke.
been a fantastic day.
Yeah,
It's been really great. It's been a movie, some might say.
it's been really great.
It's been a movie.
Oh, it went away. Okay, we're at a fancy dinner, and I'm so sorry. I don't like vlogging at dinner, especially when it's nice. But we just had a cat come visit us, and it was really sweet. And we've been eating ahi tuna, and the phone did not eat first. It was so good.
This is a nice fancy dinner. You need to put your phone away.
Smile so they know you're joking.
Turn it off.
Okay, cool. Yeah, he's
Turn it
joking.
off.
Don't worry.
Right now.
He's joking.
I'm not joking. I'm dead.
You can't say that on YouTube.
Oh no, demonetization. Oh no. Come eat this. This is delicious.
Okay. Okay, about this ribeye. Look how big this cat's eyes are. Oh my gosh. Good morning, everyone. It's our last day. We're just gonna go snorkel Honolua Bay. It's raining outside, so we might as well go swim. Then we're gonna go hang out with my family some more, and then we'll fly home tonight. We're here getting the best poke.
Put that phone away,
In
dude.
Hawaii.
I'm freaking good.
Foodland Poke. We finally did it. Yes, we're eating at Foodland.
I'm so happy.
This is all we wanted.
This is what the vlog has been leading up to. Look at that.
Look at that.
I don't even know what's in there, dude, but I'm gonna eat every bite of it.
Allegedly, it's the best poke on the island.